Well, let's continue on this journey. Yee-haw! Maybe my sound is working. I changed video editors. Maybe that's what's going to happen. So that last one sounded like I had a drunken sailor in there. I don't know what happened. We're back to checking more campsites. Gotta check this one right here. This was, oh, yes. Gotta watch out for a golf cart. It came around, my wheel came off the ground. So I'll get a quick walk through here. This was a group site last night. This one I had issues with. I'll tell you about in just a few minutes. But doesn't look too bad. These tables, I don't know, look at that. That's the way they came. Bowed like crazy. I mean, it looks like that's it's just the way they are. But fire ring, it needs a little bit of attention. But let me get my shovel and then we'll get busy. And got my shovel and my bucket. Like I said, we use metal buckets, and these have seen many better days. One thing about it, there's no problem with them losing water out the bottom because they're just about rusted through. But just all I do is basically clean out the fire pit, get up any trash and any kind of extra coals and get rid of them. This one's got a lot of stuff down below. A lot of ash. Oh, goodness gracious, that's tight. A lot of ashes. It's kind of a messy job too. But this way the next campers will have a clean fire ring to burn wood in. As long as we don't get into a stage 2 burn ban, we're good to go. Out there's kind of what I do is just pick up that, look around, and go from there. Let me throw this back of the truck. Right, back everybody. And just after picking up trash. Yeah, I had an issue with this one last night. I had to come up here at 12:30 in the morning and tell them to turn off the big screen TV and the loudspeakers. Oh my gosh. The neighbors were complaining. I didn't hear them because my hearing's not so good. But yeah, they had a big, huge screen TV and fire going and loudspeakers and the whole 9 yards. So quiet hours are from 10 p.m. until 6 a.m. Had to reiterate that to them. So, and they turned the TV off shortly afterwards. But the neighbors said they stayed up till 5 in the morning talking. Oh, isn't it lovely? And when I got through with this one, tell them turn off their TV and things, I went back to my camp, and there was a vehicle that had parked in this parking space, an RV. He decided to start running a generator 1 in the morning. It was, so that wasn't bad. I mean, but still, quiet hours, 10 to 6. Have respect for nature and other people and campers, please. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Well, let's see what happens. Somebody's alarm's going off. There it goes. I mentioned just a minute ago that I changed video editors. I went with another one, see if that made a difference, and I think it did. Because when I first put the last video out, in the slow part that sounded like a drunken sailor, it also had the buzzy noise on top of it, which went through the entire rest of the video, so I deleted that video. And then I took the same video and put it onto this other video editor, and it created what you're seeing, what you saw last time. It's got this slow motion part in there, one little section, and then it goes back to normal video or audio afterwards. So maybe I'm winning. I just saw a comment and said, you're winning this one. Oh, I hope I'm winning this one because it's getting frustrating to put videos out and not be able to get sound across from them. And what I'll do, if this system seems to be working and this editor seems to be working better, I will upload the last couple of videos that I've had to shorten and cut up and different things to get them to play on YouTube. That way we'll have a full audio of everything. With the Scots, you know, they're Scots. Their last name is Scott. So they are from Scotland. That's kind of interesting. The Scots from Scotland. So it makes perfectly sense to me. I like it. They're great. They're a great couple. I'm glad they came by. But we're gonna see about this. Like I said, we just had another. Oh, camp hosting gets to be more fun every day. I just had another couple miss reservation calculations or issues, and I got them fixed though. Anyway, but yeah, you know, you can always, one thing I was thinking of, you can always tell when somebody is not losing interest, but you can tell when their job is getting closer to the end, because then they start saying stuff like this: hey, only 5 more weeks till we can lock the gates. You don't say that. I didn't say that when I first started. Got 12 weeks till they lock the gates. Nope. But anyway, let's just kind of make this video short and see. Let me try to upload it and see what it does. And thanks for guys for watching. And if we can get these things working, we're going to start putting them out again. So thanks for watching.